So the question is, are dental implants as strong as natural teeth? What I tell my patients all the time is there is nothing better than our own natural teeth. So just to be clear, dental implants are wonderful. They're great to replace teeth once they're lost. But there's nothing better than just a beautiful natural tooth. We strive to make the end result of all of our cases to mimic nature as much as possible. And so, as far as the strength is concerned, yeah, titanium or commercially pure titanium is very strong. It would take a lot to fracture the implant, as it would even a tooth. But, but natural teeth are always better, superior than implants. But when we have no other options, the patients lost their teeth, or they're missing teeth, or they're congenitally, maybe they didn't have their bicuspids or their laterals come in. That's called congenitally missing natural dentition. So as a result, we have no other choice. We have to use some form of replacement. Dental implants are the best way to do that.